Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the exact cells you want to recolor. This is crucial because formatting applies only to the selection. Once done, use the Format menu or the toolbar Paint bucket to access fill color and text color controls. Make sure to check whether you selected a single cell, a range, or entire rows or columns so you don't recolor unintended data. If you work with multiple non-adjacent ranges, hold Ctrl or CMD while clicking. This lets you apply one color across separated areas. Next, pick the exact color and variant you need. Click Fill Color for backgrounds or Text Color for fonts, then select Theme Colors for consistency or custom to input a hex code such as #4CAF50 for precise branding. Once you choose a color, consider contrast. Dark text on a light fill or light text on a dark fill improves readability. You can also use the Paint Format tool to copy color styling from one cell to others. Double-click Paint Format to apply repeatedly across the sheet. To finish, decide if colors should be static or dynamic. Use conditional formatting to color cells based on values or formulas, and set rule order to resolve conflicts. If you need to remove color, choose clear formatting so values remain intact. Make sure protected ranges aren't blocking changes. Unprotect or request edit access if needed. If colors don't appear, refresh the browser and check for conflicting conditional rules. Resolving order or deleting old rules usually fixes persistent color issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.